ranked all 81 brawlers inside of Brawl Stars, from F tier, which are the worst brawlers, to S tier, which are the best brawlers. The starter brawler: Jelly C tier, Rare Brawler, Nita A tier, Colt B tier, Bull B tier, Rock B tier, Elbring I tier, Barley B tier, Poco D tier, Rosa C tier, Super Rare Brawler, Jesse B tier, Dynamite A tier, Tick C tier, 8-Bit C tier, Dara D tier, Jackie C tier, Rico B tier, Penny D tier, Carl C tier, Gus B tier, Epic Brawlers: Bo C tier, Stu A tier, Frank S tier, B A tier, Edgar S tier, Ash C tier, Barry A tier, Ems A tier, Piper A tier, Pam F tier, BB A tier, Nanny B tier, Griff B tier, Grom C tier, Boney C tier, Gale A tier, Colette A tier, Belle C tier, Lola C tier, Sam D tier, Mandy A tier, Macy B tier, Hank C tier, Pearl B tier, Larry Laurie C tier, Angelo A tier, Mythic Brawler, Mortis C tier, Melody D tier, Tara B tier, Jean D tier, Max A tier, Mr. P F tier, Rouse C tier, Byron B tier, Squeak B tier, Lou C tier, Ruffs B tier, Buzz A tier, Fang B tier, Eve C tier, Jonas C tier, Otis C tier, Buster B tier, Gray B tier, RT B tier, Willow D tier, Doug C tier, Chuck B tier, Charlie A tier, Nico A tier, Willie A tier, Legendary Brawlers: Spike A tier, Pro S tier, Leon A tier, Sandy B tier, Amber A tier, Meg A tier, Serge A tier, Chester A tier, Cordelia C tier, Kids B tier, Draco A tier. Thank you guys for watching. This literally took me like 3 hours to make, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.